Hello, everyone. This is Mrs. Hill. I'm going to give you a brief tutorial on how to log into your SmartFutures. Remember, we're going to be using the SmartFutures for all of our career classes. You can check your grades in that online school, but you will come here for everything. So here we are on my class link page, going to be very similar to yours. Your icon's going to have an SF just like this. I want you to go ahead and click on that. And it should log you in. If it does not log you in, that's when you are going to alert your teacher, which would be me. I'm going to log in as a user so I can show you it from a student angle. So here we are. I believe I chose that little picture here. So there's a couple things you can do to set up your profile. Your dashboard is over here on the left-hand side. We have who am I, where am I going, and how do I get there. You are going to be asked to complete a series of activities. You will usually see those activities right on your landing page, depending upon where you are. You can also come over here and click on activities. Now, on mine, I have access to all of them, but you won't see this here. So we are in the 6 to 8 grade band. As I mentioned in that welcome letter, you are going to be responsible for at least 6 artifacts, and one of those has to be an individualized career plan. So if you follow these steps, you will have that individualized career plan and you will pass the course, and more importantly, be on your way to making good decisions in the future. So as you see below, I was in here playing around with this a little bit and I began this first activity. This is going to be your first assignment. And you notice you can stop and come back to it. So I would need to come in here and continue. And then I'm just going to go right down the list. So the career clusters and pathways is going to be our first activity, our resume, conflict resolution, going down the list. And we're going to stop here with career research. However, I certainly would recommend you guys to check out all of the remaining should you have the extra time, but we're going to be responsible for completing up to activity 8 in this career class. So if we do all of these activities, we will be on our way to create that 6 through 8 career plan. That is one of the required artifacts. So having said that, it's pretty self-explanatory. The first activity is probably one of the most challenging of them all, only because it gives us a lot of information. So it's going to start off with a little video. Make sure you pay attention to the video. And then you can see up here, you're going to take a little survey. And then it's going to send you to what we call a career cluster. And then you're going to choose a pathway. Remember, these are just things for you to explore. You are all explorers. So that is our goal. We are going to explore different careers and different pathways to find something that really interests us when we get in the future. So you're going to complete all of those activities. I can't stress enough. You're going to be asked to write at the end. Make sure you're giving me complete sentences, capital letters. I'm going to go in there. I'm going to be checking all of this writing. This is something that the Pennsylvania Department of Education may ask for. So I'm going to be in there checking your work. You can save us both a lot of time by writing with capital letters, punctuation, and answering all parts of all the questions. All right, having said that, you can check your grades in the online school just like you would for other classes. You are going to get the points for completing the activity. If I want you to redo something, you will check those grades and check that feedback, and I will certainly alert you to redoing those assignments. So having said that, it's pretty self-explanatory. It's a really great online system. Again, yours will not look like this. It will just send you right to that 6 through 8. And you are going to begin developing that portfolio that you're going to need when you go to graduate high school. All right, boys and girls, I hope that was helpful. I cannot wait to help guide you on this journey. Have a great day.